Welcome to our channel. TalkBack is Android's built-in screen reader that provides spoken feedback for visually impaired users. Here's how to enable it simply. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. The location may vary slightly depending on your Android version. Step 3. Look for TalkBack under the screen reader section and tap on it. Step 4. Toggle the switch to turn TalkBack on. A prompt will explain how TalkBack changes device interaction. Step 5. Tap OK to confirm that you want to enable TalkBack. Your device will begin providing spoken feedback. Step 6. Complete the TalkBack tutorial to learn gestures like double tapping to activate and swiping to navigate. Step 7. Adjust TalkBack settings such as speech rate, pitch, and volume to your preferences. Step 8. To turn off TalkBack, press both volume keys simultaneously for 3 seconds, or navigate back to Settings, Accessibility, and toggle TalkBack off using the double tap gesture. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.